Dear class 7 students, we are going to start new lesson of lesson number 3 of precious gift. Here is precious gift. Precious means a costly, a valuable, or it is the amount which was big. Okay, gift is a just like a present या उपहार. Precious means बहुमूल्य. Raicharan was employed to take care of a child. Here is a story of Raicharan and his honor and a child. The main character of this story is Raicharan and the Anukul Babu and the son of Anukul Babu. So that Raicharan is employed. Raicharan is kept in Anukul Babu's house to look after his small child. Okay, the child was the son of Anukul Babu. The child belongs to Anukul Babu. So the child would go out of the house by crawling because child was not that much young to walk on his own foot. He is just crawling from here to there inside the house, here to there to here, and playing like all those things. And he was really innocent, so that he doesn't know where to go, where not to go, so that all those things take care by the Raicharan. Now, whenever the child goes to the bad place, at that time Raicharan prevent him or save him. Similarly, the child resist him. The child action was saying that you do not touch me. I am just playing and you do not disturb me. The action of the child is saying this word. And when the child would go out to Raicharan as Channa, so when the child would call out to Raicharan as Channa, because the child is very small and he cannot speak properly, so that through his little mouth, the Raicharan says that Channa. So it will fill Raicharan with happy. Whenever the small child says him Raicharan to Channa, he becomes very happy. Anukul Babu was transferred because Anukul Babu was working in a very reputed office, so that he got transferred. The office ordered him to go from that place to another place for a job, and that place, the new place name was Paria, which was situated near the river. So before he left the Kolkata, this Paria is situated, or it is inside the Kolkata city. So when he moved to Kolkata, before that he bought some of the valuable jewelry and the small car for the child. Okay, it means अनुकूल बाबू को ट्रांसफ़र हो गया, या उसको पोस्टिंग हो गया, या उसको स्थानांतरण हो गया. स्थानांतरण या स्थानांतरण क्या बोलते हैं, ये हो गया. तो ये कहाँ हो गया? कलकत्ता के पारिया नामक जगह पे. जो पारिया नामक जगह कहाँ है? नदी के किनारे. ठीक है. और जाने से पहले अनुकूल बाबू ने अपने बच्चे के लिए कुछ महंगी ज्वेलरी या उसके लिए खिलौना लेके आया, गाड़ी का खिलौना लेके आया. It had been raining past few days. The day was raining and the time was evening. It had been raining for the few days. The weather, the climate was very rainy at that time. 6 to 3 days the raining was continuously. so that it was the evening and child want to go out. At that time, child insisted to go out with him to play outside, to look outside. So Raicharan took him out in a car. They had gone through car and the Raicharan took him out of the car. कार से बाहर निकाला बच्चे को और खेलने के लिए छोड़ दिया. The fields were filled with water and the child, on seeing flowers, insisted on having a bunch of them. Whenever he took out the child saw a bunch of flowers and he insisted to take all those things. So that Raicharan had went inside the river and took out the flowers. So he started plucking flowers for the children. So he started plucking मतलब उसने उस जो फ्लावर को एक एक करके निकालना शुरू कर दिया. एक एक करके उसके हाथ में ले लिया. Raicharan went inside the water and he started plucking the flowers for a child. The child sat quietly inside the car. When the Raicharan went to the water for plucking the flowers, at that time the son of Anukul, that small child, sat inside the car. Inside the car sometime, and then his attention was caught by the river and that was flowing. When he sat keep quietly, suddenly he saw the flowing water into the river. Flowing water into the river, so that flowing water attract the child, and the child, he quietly got off of the car. He just quietly, चुपचाप से वो गाड़ी से निकल गया. Then picked up a stick that was lying nearby and went to the banks of the river. बच्चे ने क्या किया, एक छोटा सा स्टिक जो रास्ते में पड़ा हुआ था, नदी के किनारे पड़ा हुआ था, वो स्टिक लेके वो नदी की जो पानी है, पानी की तरफ वो भाग गया. ठीक है. Which had taken a dangerous form and started playing with the waves. Now when he reached the river, the water was flowing with a very big wave. Into that wave he started playing very dangerously. अब क्या हो गया, बच्चे जो पानी का उछाल था, उछाल वो देख के वो इतना ज़्यादा आकर्षित हो गया. आकर्षित होने के बाद वो उस तरफ दौड़ गया. उस तरफ दौड़ा, तभी पानी का जो उछाल है बहुत तेज़ आया. उस तेज़ पानी के साथ वो खेलना शुरू कर दिया और ये खेल बहुत ही खतरनाक खेल था. When Raicharan returned with flowers in his hand, he was shocked to find the child missing from the car. When Raicharan came back with bunch of flowers with his hands, and he saw inside the car there were nothing. The child was missing inside there. He looked everywhere but could not find him. He looked here and there, everywhere, every corner of that places, but he could not find the child. Okay? इसका मतलब रायचरण जब फूल पकड़ के लेके आया, फूल पकड़ के लेके आके उसने सोचा कि बच्चे गाड़ी के अंदर ही है, लेकिन गाड़ी के अंदर बच्चे नहीं था. वो बिल्कुल हैरान परेशान हो गया. वो चारों तरफ ढूंढना शुरू किया, लेकिन बच्चे को कहीं अता पता नहीं था. It was growing dark and the child's mother was getting worried. Now they had gone in the evening time and it is turning into night, so that the child's mother got worried. जो बच्चे की माँ है वो बहुत चिंतित हो गया, बहुत दुखी हो गया कि अभी तक क्यों नहीं आया. She sent out few men to the banks of the river with lanterns in search of him. Now the mother of child requested the neighbors So 2-3 people ready to come to the river with the lantern. Lantern means kind of that a kind of that light which is made by kerosene. So everyone felt that river Parya had hidden the child in the folds, but somewhere all of them in their hearts and their doubts. Now people had started searching there, but the child was missing, and some of the people who thought that maybe the wave of the water that drowned him inside the river. अर्थात जो 2-3 लोग गए थे लालटेन लेके वो ढूंढना शुरू किया, ढूंढने के बावजूद भी उसको नहीं मिला, तो किसी ने सोचा हो सकता है पानी के उछाल में वो बहा के लेके गया. ठीक है. The mother felt that Raicharan must have sold her child. Now obviously the mother thought in opposite direction. She thought that maybe that child has been sold, yet child has been kept somewhere else by the Raicharan, so that he is not talking anything. She took Raicharan into another room and begged in front of him. And Raicharan was kept quiet. He was speechless, so that the mother of child took him into the another room and requested him to bring his son. And she also begged. Beg means विनती करना. उसने विनती किया कि मेरे बच्चे कहाँ हैं, मुझे दे दो. अगर तुमने कहीं भी रखा है तो मुझे दे दो, कि अगर वो मुझे दोगे तो तुम्हें जितना पैसा मिलेगा मैं दे दूँगा. Raicharan, you can take as much as money as you want, but return my child. Now mother of child is saying doubtfully that please give me my son where you have kept. Instead of that child, you can take whatever you want. How much money you want, you can take from me. It means जब सारे चीज़ हताश हो गया तो बच्चे की माँ बहुत परेशान हो गया. रात हो चुका था, तो 2-3 जो गांव के लोग थे, गांव को लोग को ले जाके सर्च किया, तो वहाँ रायचरण अकेले धुमधुमती बैठा हुआ था, तो बच्चे नहीं था. तो चारों तरफ बच्चे को ढूंढा, कहीं नहीं मिला. ठीक है. कहीं नहीं मिलने की वजह से इधर बच्चे की माँ बहुत परेशान हो गया. परेशान होने से उसने रायचरण को पैर पकड़ के बोला कि मेरे बच्चे को कहाँ रखा है, कहाँ छुपाया है, तुम निकाल के दे दो. अगर तुम्हें पैसे चाहिए, जितना भी पैसे चाहिए मेरे से ले लेना. ठीक है. This was for today. I will teach you in the next lesson. Okay.